What's up, everybody? Chris here from GearAmerica, and I'm sitting in the GearAmerica West Garage right now, and I just got a message from Australia. That's right, we sent a set of green Uber Shackles down to Danie Simpson for her to try out on her 75 Series Land Cruiser Old Boy. Now, she made a little video for us of her installing them, and it turned out great, so I wanted to share that with all of you. So without further ado, here's Danie's video.
This is what we're putting on today from GearAmerica. They are shackles, but they are special shackles. I was like, I can't just put a normal shackle in there, right? Because it'll just like bang on the bull bar. I ended up on GearAmerica's Instagram page. And then my next question was they had to be green. So I haven't looked at these yet. They're nice. They have these washers, right? And they're supposed to space it out so the shackle can sit out from the bar. We gotta find the right washer to take up the gap. That's probably too big. I don't know if I'm doing this right. Maybe two thin ones? Yes, okay. So this end screws into the actual shackle, and this little bit screws into the end. It screws the wrong way. Okay. I can see you there, little Marzi boy. We only need these two skinny ones. Oh, this is different. Okay, we can't use two skinny ones on that side. A fat and a skinny. Lefty tighty, righty loosey. And we just tighten that up. I am in love. I like it. Very cool, very cool.
All right, guys, there you have it. They're all installed on Old Boy. I'm really excited to see Danie put them to some extreme off-road use down there in Australia. Now, if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, definitely leave them below. Be glad to hear from you. And be sure to check those links below. I'm gonna have links on where you can pick up some new Uber Shackles or any of GearAmerica's gear, and I'll also put some links down to all of Danie's social sites so you can check out all of the off-roading and work she does on her rigs down there in Australia. That's it for now. This is Chris signing off from the GearAmerica West Garage. And as always, off-road smart and tread lightly.